Hi bestie, and welcome to another video. Today it is not a sit down video. Today I am here in the kitchen. I have my tomatoes, I have carrots, I have fruits, vegetable, nuts, spices. Yani, I have come to this kitchen just to show you how you can make healthy smoothie at home to support your weight loss journey. Smoothie are not just drinks. These smoothies that we will make today, they are not just drinks. These are drinks that will talk to your body, it will talk to your immune system, it will talk to your gut system, and even your skin. We want to support your weight loss journey so that it can be easy for you to lose weight without starving yourself, without going to the gym and spending too much time in the gym and there is nothing that is happening. One key thing one should know, and most people they don't tell you, it is that if your digestion system it is not in the right place, it becomes very, very hard for you to lose weight. Doesn't matter if you're fasting, if you're fasting, if you're going to the gym, you're going 10,000 steps every single day, you might not see results. You might go on the scale and see that the weight it is dropping, but again your stomach it is still very big and your skin it is still breaking. You're wondering what is happening, because one key thing on the weight loss or to have a healthy body, it is to reduce inflammation in the body, and that is what we are going to do. The drinks or the smoothies that we are making today, it is for that purpose. Let me remind you that our video today, it is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance, and this is one key cover that I always tell you, it is very important. If you have come out of the country of origin, you have traveled, you live in Austria, you live in the UK like me, or in Canada, or wherever you live, even if you live in Saudi, this is one cover that you need, because when unexpected happens, this will be your fallback. Before you go to the streets and start asking for people for money from people to come and help you, to come and support you, this is one key cover that you should take. And let me tell you, you should not be afraid or think about that it is very expensive, it is something that it is not doable, it is something of the rich. Let me tell you, if there is one key thing that God gave you, it is that body. The mansions are good, that good family you have, it is very good, but one key thing that you live with and you came with, it is your body. I want to pose this question to you: how do you want to be remembered when you leave this world? This is one key legacy that you should think about. Call the numbers on your screen now, or you can scan the QR code on your screen right now. Visit them at www.diasporainsurance.com and get your quote with 24/7. So let's get into this doing, and let's fix your skin, fix your immune system, and also your gut health. Let's talk gut health, because if your gut health is not in place, then losing weight will be very, very difficult. But when this one is sorted, you are able to lose weight. And losing weight, you are not even going to struggle. It will just keep on dropping, because this is the mother of all. And we are going to use green ingredients, that is spinach, celery, cucumber, soaked chia seed, because all these things will be for your digestive system to start functioning the right way. You're able to have bowel movement in patterns, and you're able to be comfortable even when you eat, and when you sleep, you will not be feeling sluggish and tired every time. This one is a game changer. The ingredients, it is on the screen, and you can also get it on the description box. And to our second smoothie, this is immunity booster. Your immune system thrives on color. So we are going to use bright, bright colors and vegetable so that you're going to get the right nutrients in the body. These are anti-inflammatory food. Let me tell you, if you start drinking this one every single week, my friend, your skin will start looking as if you've been dipped in a collagen. What else do they tell you to keep on doing in the morning? You know what they tell you, the morning routine that you should follow, the 9th step of the skincare. Yes, when you start taking this one, if every single week, you like 2 times in a week, my friend, you'll be looking hot. Yeah. The ingredients are on the description box. And because I am a woman, and especially now that I am in my 40s, hormones, I'm telling you, I have to balance this one because we need the hormone harmony in our grass. Ama namna gani. So this smoothie is going to support your healthy estrogen metabolism. It is going to help your skin. It is also going to because some ingredients like almond will provides you with magnesium for mood stability, because when you get here, I'm telling you, especially 40, the moods can be all over the place, but this one is a game changer. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know which one you liked most. And as I said, if you can't see the ingredients on the screen, you can check them on the description box. I'll put it there. Like this video, it is free to like, it is free to subscribe, and it gets me to grow every single day. My name is Winnie James. I'm a weight loss coach, and thank you so much for watching.